Most $0 business advice promises a system that runs itself for no effort. But usually, those opportunities require you to pay someone else for the secret first. This is the honest version. Starting capital can be zero, but your effort can't be. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to take the scattered skills you already possess and assemble them into a specific, sellable service package. To build this framework today, you need exactly 3 things: one skill you already know how to use, $0 in starting capital, and the willingness to execute some unglamorous outreach. Simply listing your skills puts the entire burden on the client. They have to figure out how to use you, what to ask for, and what it might cost. Removing that friction for them is the actual first step of business creation. Step 1 is pinpointing your foundation. Identify one concrete thing you know how to do right now, without needing extra training or a new certification. This checklist shows the baseline of what works here: video editing, proofreading, organizing digital files, or managing a spreadsheet. Do not sit around waiting for a flawless, unique idea to strike. You just need an idea that is real and functional. You complete this step when you have exactly one skill written down on a piece of paper to carry into the next phase. Committing to one imperfect skill stops the cycle of endless research. It converts the abstract goal of starting a business into a specific project that can actually be structured in the next step. This graphic is the packaging formula we'll use for step 2. We are taking a broad capability and converting it into a targeted solution. First, we extract a single deliverable service out of a broad category. If your skill is graphic design, we turn that into logo packages. Next, we define the exact type of client who urgently needs those logos. Here, we fill in new local coffee shops. Finally, we establish a fixed, predictable price for the deliverable, setting it to $250. Look at the side-by-side comparison. The original pitch on the left is vague. The right side tells a stranger immediately what they are buying and exactly what it costs. People often hesitate here because they want to serve everyone, but keeping an offer broad to appeal to everyone usually results in getting hired by no one. You pass this step when you hold a finalized one-sentence pitch that immediately tells a stranger what they get. This extreme specificity shifts the burden of imagination away from the buyer. Because you've clearly defined the solution, your service is dramatically easier to market and sell. Step 3 is setting up a frictionless, zero-cost point of contact. This will serve as your minimum viable storefront. You can build this using any free form builder, like the interface shown here. Take the packaged pitch you wrote in Step 2 and position it directly as the headline of this new page. Below that headline, add simple input fields the client needs to fill out: their name, their email, and a few details about their business. Do not spend capital on website hosting at this stage. Do not spend 3 days designing a custom logo. You are done with Step 3 when you have generated a live, shareable URL that can accept client requests immediately. Delaying a launch to build a complex website is a form of productive procrastination. Getting a simple link out into the market quickly is how you actually validate your idea. Step 4 is initiating targeted contact with potential buyers. Identify 5 specific individuals or businesses that match your ideal client profile. Write a brief message to each of them. Combine a polite offer of your exact service with the storefront link you just built. Up until now, your business has been strictly theoretical. Sending this message puts a concrete offer in front of a real person, marking the shift from planning to execution. You have now taken a raw skill and transformed it into a structured business mechanism. By focusing on a clear offer rather than a passive income shortcut, you've avoided the trap of businesses that promise success for zero effort. Now we set expectations. Almost nobody's first version of this package looks like their 5th version. You will iterate on this as you learn what your clients actually buy. To commit to your new structure, go to the comments below and post your specific one-sentence pitch so we can see what you built. Starting with zero capital is indeed possible, but the true cost of entry is doing the unglamorous effort required to offer something real before it feels perfectly ready.